Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here, so if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. And guys, as always, if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. That does help me out. I do want to remind you guys, we do now have 2 active giveaways on our channel. We have the Jeffree Star Valentine Mystery Box giveaway, and we have the Hank and Henry Mystery Box giveaway. Both will be linked down below, so definitely check those out if you have not already. But as you can see today, we already have the March 2020 American Influencer Beauty Bundle. This is a fairly new subscription. It is a bi-monthly subscription. It is $34.99. Now they did send this to me for review, so thank you so very much. I do appreciate that. But what this is, I think it is really awesome. It is a box that is created by beauty influencers, and I think that that is absolutely fantastic. One other thing that I think is amazing with this box is that $1 from every box sold is donated to the City of Hope for cancer research, and I love when boxes give back, and I think that's a really great cause, so I love that. But we're gonna get in here and we're gonna see what, like I said, because this is a bi-monthly box, so this is kind of their March/April box. We're gonna dive in here. We're gonna see what we got this time. Like I said, this is a bi-monthly subscription. It's only $34.99. And if you think about it, bi-monthly, that's really not that bad. And you're supposed to receive 5 to 6 full-size beauty items. So let's see what we got. Yep, City of Hope. All right. And when you open it, I love the saying. It says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. Love that. And then we have white foam. And we have goodies. All right. So, again, this is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. Hey, babes. Thank you for being in the AIA Bundle family. We are so excited for you to discover new brands created by some of your favorite influencers. And you can tag them on social media and show them different looks and the products that you're using from the box at hashtag AIA Beauty Bundle. All right, so then here on the back, we have some information about the products inside. And this is what it looks like. All right, so it looks like we actually have 2 different brands in here this time, and this is the box has a total value of over $134. So you're getting $100 more than what you're paying. Sounds good to me. All right, so the first set of items, it's actually 6 items. So we actually have 7 items in this box this time. But the first 6 are from Lala Kent's hashtag Give Them Lala Beauty. So we're gonna start with these, and it actually looks like we got quite a few lip products. So it looks like we got 5 different lip products. So we will just start with these, and this is a cream lipstick, and this is in the shade Wifey. Ooh, this packaging, first of all, okay. That's really pretty. Hashtag Give Them Lala Beauty. This looks like a really pink. Ooh, that is a very bright pink. Gonna hold off on swatching that one, because if it's something that I know that I may not use, I'd rather put aside for a giveaway to pass along to one of you guys. So then next we have, this is again a matte lipstick. This is in Queen. Oh, this packaging. I just love it. This looks like a lighter pink maybe. Yeah, this is almost like a bubblegum pink. Very pretty. All right, and then we have high maintenance. And this is these are cruelty free, which I do like. So just in case you were wondering. So there is that. Looks like a pretty nude. Yep, very pretty nude. Okay. And then this is actually a gloss called The Affair. It is the same packaging. So this is a very pretty nude gloss. And we have another gloss, and this is in the shade Randy. That is gorgeous. I am going to swatch this one because I know I'd use this. You guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Beautiful. All right. And it looks like we have, let me see what this says about these. Those are all valued at $16 a piece. The liquid lipsticks and the glosses are all the same price. And now we have a highlighter, and this is going to be valued at $26. I have to cut this little bad boy open. And this is going to be in the shade Promiscuous. Well, I'm kind of digging these names. So here is the packaging. Oh, this is a highlighter? Promiscuous highlighter? Yeah, this says highlighter. Okay. It is stunning. It is gorgeous. Now that to me, for my skin tone, would definitely not be a highlighter. It would make a gorgeous eyeshadow. That is, I mean, it is stunning. I want to swatch it so bad, but I just know for me, this would not work as a highlighter. So I kind of want to put it up and put it to the side for one of you guys who it may work for. So again, this was the highlighter from Give Them La La Beauty. And this again is in the shade Promiscuous, and this is $26. All right, so again, I'm gonna put that highlighter to the side. I think it looks absolutely stunning. Just from my skin tone, it would not work. So hopefully it will for one of you. And then we have one more item in here, and I'm actually really excited to see this. And this is from Hank & Henry. This is an eyeshadow palette. This is valued at $21. And let's get this open. So this is the Living in Color palette. Oh my gosh, this packaging is just stunning. You guys, oh my, okay, first of all, it bends all the way back. I love that. Do you see these colors? These shimmers and these, oh my gosh. Oh, okay. I am totally swatching this color right here because it looks almost like a teal, but up close, I can almost see specks of purple. I'm wondering if it's a duochrome. So I'm actually going to swatch that and the matte blue. Okay. That felt like butter. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is just stunning. Okay, so oh my goodness, you guys, look at that. That blue is stunning. Now that other color that I thought kind of looked teal, it actually goes on kind of like a smoky gray, but then you see the purple and the teal sparkle, and it is just so beautiful. Like, oh my goodness. Gorgeous. So in this, stay still. In this box, again, just to wrap up, we got the Hank and Henry Living in Color eyeshadow palette from #Give Them La Beauty. We got this gorgeous highlighter I'm gonna put aside for a future giveaway. We had 2 lip glosses, and we had 3 matte lips. So again, the value is $134. Each of the lip products, the 2 glosses and the 3 liquid lipsticks, were $16 a piece. The highlighter was $26, and the Hank and Henry eyeshadow palette was $21. So let me know your thoughts down below. I will put a link to the AIA Beauty Bundle box if you would like to check them out, or down in the description. I'll put it down there. So definitely check them out. I think this is a great box. I love that it's bi-monthly, so you don't have too much buildup on you. And I think $34.99 is a really good price point for what you're getting. I think getting to try new products from some of your favorite influencers is really awesome. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.